Have you ever dreamed of embarking on a lavish adventure through the mesmerizing landscapes of Africa? These words are often the beginning of a thrilling journey, one that takes you to the heart of the wild, where luxury meets untamed beauty. Welcome to the world of luxury African safaris, a dream destination that deserves a top spot on your bucket list. Let's dispel a few myths right off the bat. Contrary to popular belief, a safari isn't just for the rugged adventurer. It's a gateway to a world of comfort, safety, and unparalleled experiences. Imagine waking up to the sound of nature, the air filled with raw wilderness, and the promise of astonishing sights. This is what luxury African safaris are all about. From opulent lodges to gourmet dining under the stars, every aspect of your journey is carefully curated to offer you the best experience. Indeed, a luxury African safari is not just a trip, it's a transformative journey. Imagine resting in the heart of the wilderness in a plush, tented camp. Picture this, if you will, a luxury suite in the middle of the African bush, designed with a perfect blend of classic elegance and modern comfort. This is what awaits you when you embark on a luxury African safari. These accommodations are not just about providing a place to sleep, they're about immersing you in an unforgettable experience. The high-end tented camps and lodges are designed to blend seamlessly into the surrounding landscape, providing you with an unobstructed view of the breathtaking scenery right from your room. Imagine waking up to the glorious African sunrise filtering through the canvas of your tent, a symphony of birdsong heralding the start of a new day. Your spacious tent is more like a five-star hotel room, featuring a cozy king-size bed, a well-stocked minibar, and even a private ensuite bathroom with hot water and plush bathrobes. It's not just about the tents though. Luxury African safaris also offer opulent lodges, each one a testament to architectural innovation. These lodges, often built with locally sourced materials, offer an all-encompassing luxury experience. Picture stately rooms with panoramic views, private plunge pools, and personal butlers catering to your every need. The amenities provided are second to none. Think outdoor showers under the African sky, private viewing decks overlooking watering holes where wildlife come to drink, and even in-room spa treatments. Some establishments even offer Wi-Fi, so you can share your incredible experiences with friends and family back home instantly. As you unwind in your luxurious accommodations after a day of exploring, you'll find that the magic of the African wilderness doesn't end when the sun sets. As the day fades into night, the air fills with the sounds of the African night. The distant roar of a lion, the haunting call of a hyena, the rustle of the bush as nocturnal creatures begin their nightly routines. This is the beauty of luxury African safari accommodations. They offer you the opportunity to be part of the wilderness, to live amid the untamed beauty of the African bush while still enjoying every comfort and luxury you could wish for. From the comfort of your lavish tented camp, the African wilderness becomes your home. Picture yourself indulging in world-class cuisine in the middle of the African bush. Welcome to a culinary journey like no other. Luxury safaris offer a stunning array of gourmet dining experiences that go far beyond what you might expect in the wild. You'll find yourself savoring dishes that fuse traditional African flavors with global culinary trends, all prepared by expert chefs using the freshest local ingredients. Imagine starting your day with a sunrise breakfast on the savannah, surrounded by the gentle sounds of nature waking up. You're sipping freshly brewed coffee as you tuck into a spread of tropical fruits, artisanal bread, and eggs cooked to your liking. You might even enjoy a bush picnic for lunch, where the backdrop of the majestic wilderness adds a whole new dimension to your meal. But the dining experience on a luxury safari isn't just about the food. It's also about the unique settings that make each meal an adventure in itself. Picture yourself enjoying a candlelit dinner under the vast African sky, with the distant roar of lions and the crackling campfire as your soundtrack. Or how about a surprise bush breakfast after an early morning game drive with an impromptu visit from a herd of elephants? The quality of food is impeccable, rivaling that of any high-end restaurant in the world's most cosmopolitan cities. From succulent grilled meats and fresh seafood to vibrant salads and decadent desserts, every dish is a culinary masterpiece. And of course, there's an excellent selection of South African wines to perfectly pair with your meals. The fusion of African and international cuisine results in exciting flavor profiles that are sure to delight your palate. Whether it's a Moroccan-inspired tagine, a Kenyan-style barbecue, or a South African bobotie, you're in for a treat. And let's not forget about the special dietary needs. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or have any other dietary restrictions, rest assured that your needs will be catered to without compromising on the taste or the quality. Every meal becomes a culinary adventure, bringing together the flavors of Africa and the world. Now imagine witnessing Africa's majestic wildlife up close. This is where the luxury safari truly shines. It's not just about the opulent accommodations or the gourmet dining, it's about the incredible wildlife encounters that will take your breath away. Picture this. A herd of elephants meandering through the grasslands, their colossal silhouettes set against the rising sun. The sight is awe-inspiring, a testament to the grandeur of the African wilderness. And with a luxury safari, you don't just watch from afar, you're right there in the action, experiencing the magic up close. Then there are the big five. The lion, the African elephant, the Cape buffalo, the leopard, and the rhinoceros. These magnificent creatures are the stars of the African savanna, and a luxury safari affords you the opportunity to see them in their natural habitat. But remember, these are wild animals. And every encounter is a privilege, a moment to be treasured. And let's not forget about the bird watchers out there. Africa is a paradise for bird enthusiasts, boasting over 2,000 species, many of which are endemic to the continent. From the vibrant lilac-breasted roller to the elusive African fish eagle, the bird life in Africa is as diverse as it is beautiful. But the wildlife encounters don't stop there. A luxury safari also gives you a chance to see rare and endangered species. Imagine spotting a pack of African wild dogs, or a black rhino, hiding among the bushes. These are moments that you will remember for a lifetime. And it's not just about the thrill of the sighting, it's also about understanding these animals, their behaviors, their struggles, and their triumphs. A luxury safari offers expert guides who can enrich your experience with their knowledge and insights, giving you a deeper appreciation for the natural world. These wildlife encounters will leave you with unforgettable memories and a deeper appreciation for the natural world. A luxury African safari is a journey into the heart of the wild, a celebration of nature in its purest form. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've returned home. But the real magic happens when the sun begins to set over the African savanna. The vast expanse of the African plains, bathed in the radiant hues of the setting sun, is a sight beyond words. The landscape is bathed in a divine glow, a soft blanket of gold and crimson that stretches as far as the eye can see. As the sun dips closer to the horizon, the sky transforms into an artist's canvas, awash with strokes of pink, orange, and red. It's as if the universe itself has paused to admire this daily spectacle, this symphony of color and light. The tranquility of this moment is palpable, as the day's heat gives way to the cool embrace of evening. The savanna, which was alive with activity during the day, gradually falls into a peaceful silence. The only sounds that break this calm are the distant calls of the wildlife, serenading the setting sun with their evening chorus. This is the time when the savanna reveals its softer side. The fierce animals that were on the prowl during the day retire to their dens and nests. The nocturnal creatures start to stir, their eyes twinkling in the fading light, ready to take over the night shift. Witnessing a sunset on a luxury African safari is not just about the visual spectacle, it's about the feeling of being a small part of this grand spectacle of nature. It's about the sense of peace that descends as the sun bids farewell to the day. It's about the anticipation of what the night will bring, the stories that will unfold under the blanket of stars. As the last rays of the sun disappear, they leave behind a sky dotted with stars, like diamonds on black velvet. The day has ended, but the safari experience continues, under the canopy of the African night sky. A sunset over the African plains is a sight to behold, a moment that will stay with you forever. It's a daily spectacle, a testament to the beauty and wonder of our natural world, and it's one of the many reasons why a luxury African safari should be on everyone's bucket list. A luxury African safari is more than just a trip. It's an immersive journey that takes you beyond the conventional, offering a kaleidoscope of unique experiences. From the lavish accommodations that cradle you in comfort and the gourmet dining that tantalizes your taste buds, to the exclusive encounters with majestic wildlife, every moment is designed to transcend the ordinary. Picture yourself under the starlit African sky, the serenity only interrupted by the distant echoes of the wild. Imagine the golden hues of the sunset painting the vast savanna, a sight so mesmerizing it seems almost surreal. This is not just a holiday, it's a transformative adventure that will leave an indelible imprint on your soul. So why wait? Consider embarking on this extraordinary journey and let Africa's magic bewitch you. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration and share your dream travel destinations in the comments below. Keep the wanderlust alive and explore the world together.